Okay, hi again. Well, we've made some progress on the stand, and so I thought I would update everybody with that. And again, if you got any suggestions, please let me know. So far we went ahead and got everything wrapped with the plywood. We also got a lot of the trim molding done. Not everything's finished, but we've got a majority of it done. Painted the black on the back of the tank, and I went ahead and used the Plastidip so I can pull it off later. And then used a board across the back at the bottom to actually solidify where all the pieces come together, and then the top actually screws in. But I think we're at a place now where we can begin to build doors. The last piece I was going to show you, and would love your feedback on, is I Plastidip the inside of the electronics cabinet. So from bottom and from top I can get wherever I need, but then mounting the Apex, Reef Keeper, whatever I end up with here, as well as any other pump controls in this area and dosing controls in this area. But if you got any ideas on best methods to have this here or anything else, please give me a shout. Thanks.